Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to go over the reorder items and reorder picture question types from LifterLMS Advanced Quizzes. So I'll start with the reorder items. So I'll just type the question, what is the correct order of these items? So you can type your question here, and unlike multiple choice, instead of selecting a correct answer here, you'll have to reorder these items. They'll be shown in a random order. So what I'll do is just do X, Y, and Z as my three items. And the students will have to go through and reorder these to be the correct order here. And on the back end, I'm looking at the correct order. Number 1 is X, 2, Y, and 3 is Z. And you can have more items here as well. And then the reorder pictures works in a very similar way. It's just instead of having the text box here, you can add an image in from your media. So I'll just do this. I'll throw the shirt one on, the cloud, and then the monster icon there. All right, there we go. And then we'll just copy this and put that there. So I'll show you what this looks like on the front end. We'll save the changes I made and then go to View Lesson. And you'll always want to remember to publish the quiz, but I'm logged in as the admin right now, so I'm good to go to check this out on the front end. All right, here we go, Start Quiz. So reorder items, the correct order here, I can drag these around to X, Y, and Z. And then next question. And here I can drag these images around. I believe it was shirt, cloud, monster guy there. And then we can complete the quiz and we should be good to go. All right. So that's it for this video on the reorder items and reorder picture question type from LifterLMS Advanced Quizzes. Feel free to drop any suggestions for videos you want to see in the future down in the comments below. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.